Okay, children, all of you look at the seeds. So you know very well these are seeds. ADV seeds. So we do addition, regrouping addition with seeds. With seeds. So what is this? 37. So how many tens are there?
3.
3 tens are there. So that's why we take 3 tens of seeds. And how many ones are there?
7.
That's why we take 7 seeds. So what is this? 28. How many tens are there in 28? 2 tens are there. That's why we take 2 tens of seeds. How many ones are there? 8 ones. So that's why we take 8 seeds. 8 seeds of 8 seeds. Listen. So what to do now? Do addition. What to do now? Addition. So addition means adding. Addition means adding. Ante kalpadam. So first what do we add? Vetini kalpali manamu? Tens or ones? We add ones. Okay. 7 ones and 8. 7 ones, 8 ones. So we add them together. So count 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, we make these regrouping. So we do regrouping. So 10, 1 10. So 1 10 of seeds. So how many remain?
65, sir.
How many remain?
5
remain. Give me. Yes. 5 remain. 5 remain. So 6 tens of seeds are here. 6 tens how much?
60.
6 tens 60 plus
5
ones. 60 plus 5.
65.
65. So this way we can do regrouping addition using seeds. So 37 plus 28, how much?
68.
60?
65.
65. So now look at here. Short form. How to do short form? 7 plus 8. Add ones to 1. 7 plus 8, how much? 7 plus 8?
78.
7 plus 8?
50.
15. 7 plus 8?
15.
So 15 means 110 carry forward, 5 ones below ones. Okay, put below ones. So next, how many tens are there here? 3. 3 tens are here. Here 2 tens and here 1 10. So do total
60.
6. So 6 tens. So 6 tens, 5 ones. How much is this?
65.
65. Okay, this way we can add. Have you understood?
Understood, sir.
Okay, children, now go to all of your place.